Okay, good evening, student. As per the curriculum of University of Mumbai, semester 3 and semester 4. First of all, now you are in semester 3. Okay, so if you see your curriculum or your syllabi of semester 3, there is a fourth subject that is for 100 marks, project report. Okay, that means along with your three papers, there is a one paper that is a project report. Now, what is the project report? The project report is expected. That is the research project report. The term research is come over here. The research project, because earlier, if you go for the previous the curriculum of the FI, Mcom, SY, and TY, that means before I think that 2014, the university introduced assignments. Okay, I don't know. That means how many of you you complete your assignments and submit to the college, and whether the assignment is applicable to you or not. Okay, we don't have a times to see whether that means the assignment is applicable to you or not that times. But now the very important things as per your curriculum is concerned, student, the project report is a very, very important part. Now, student, this is 100 marks project report, okay, which is implemented by the university from the academic year 2017-18 under the choice-based grading and semester system. Now, that's why there are many times we are always give a suggestion to the board of studies, and the many of the fraternity, they always give the inputs to the in case of this writing of the project reports and applicability of project report to the PG student. Now, in earlier days, and especially in case of science students, where there are two type of degrees, especially one is PG by subject and second is a PG by research. Now, PG by research means the students have options to choose whether you go for the research, that means research dissertations, or you can say research project is applicable. Now, research project is applicable. Now, it is a mandatory to every all the category, whether that is for law, whether that for my MBA, whether that for chartered accountant, or whether that for any other curriculums. There is a research activities there. Okay. So similarly, in case of your postgraduate section, your Mcom degree, 2 years Mcom degrees, you have also project report for semester 3 and semester 4. Okay. Now, student, this is your first semester 3. So I expect the students to try to give the more input in case of project report. Project report is really very interesting task, student. Very, very interesting task. If you have the interest, real interest, so you can prepare the project reports in such a way that definitely that help you. I can say this is a really a foundations toward your research degrees. If you want to pursue the MPhil degree, that is a Master of Philosophy, or if you want to go for the PhD, that is a Doctor of Philosophy, or there are n number of research activities there, students. N number of activities. Even the company in the corporate sector also research activities conducted. There is a separate department for research and development where you have to conduct research, and on the basis of that, you have to prepare the report that will be useful for the industry to take the decisions on that, the particular product or setting of the new plant, or in case of studying the consumer behavior. So n number of different types of the categories where you can do the research, and that definitely useful for not only for your organizations, but as per the society and the nation is concerned. It's going to be help to the nations, of course, for the taking the maximum the policy structures, implementation of the policy, and take the major decisions. Okay. So research is a continuous activities. Therefore, in curriculum, directly you go for the practical project report. It is better you must have to understand what is the research methodology. And that's why the university introduced the research methodology subject in your part 1. Semester 2, there was a research methodology subject. The purpose of that introduction of the research project methodology in your part 1, you must have to understand the theoretical aspects of the research methodology, and the same that you're going to implement practically in semester 3 and semester 4. I hope that means everyone knows research methodology. What is the research? What are the different methods? What is the data collection methods? What do you mean by hypothesis? What is the review of literature? What is the analysis and interpretations? What is the conclusion? How to draw the suggestions and findings? What is the references? So these are the entire, this give you the basic, all your theoretical subjects that is at your part 1, semester 2. And once you learn the research methodology subjects, then student, as a curriculum, as a syllabus, there is a 4th subject that is called as project report, compulsory project report subject, just like your remaining 3 subjects. The total you have 4 subjects, 3 subjects that is a subjective, we're having the external examiner, external examinations and internal examinations. At the same time, you have additional 1 subject that is a project report, compulsory project report you have to prepare. Okay, so students, first of all, you have to understand what is the guidelines given by the university for the, and what the university expect from you as a student. Preparation of, okay, just a moment. Okay. Now, student, this is the guidelines. As per the guidelines is concerned, introduction, the project, you have to make the project reports in 2 ways. Now, there are 2 modes of preparation of project report. For example, normally you take 1 subject, take 1 topic. For topic selections, I will come to you later on. You can take the topic and you can prepare the research project. The guidelines for the research project I'm giving you. Okay. And second, you have to prepare the project on the basis of internship in the study area. Internship means actually you have to work with the organizations, and practically you have to work with the organization, and accordingly that means during the internships, whatever your observations and your topic related and your area related, the all things you have to prepare for the internship project. Only the certificate of the internships you have to bring will give the certificates to your employer. If you are working with one of the NGOs, and if you are working with any entrepreneurs, manufacturing concerns, you can take the particular sector, your industry or entrepreneurs where you work as a project report topic, and you can study on that particular industry where you work as like intern. You will work in that particular industry, and on the basis of that you have to collect all the data related to the particular industry, your subject, and you have to prepare the project reports. So there are 2 projects. One is the project report based on the research methodology in the study area, and second, the project is based on the internships, on the basis of internships in the study area. Now, what is the guideline for the preparation of project reports? The guideline is given. Okay. This guideline also I will send on your WhatsApp group. No need to worry. The simple students, the project topic may be undertaken in any area of elective courses. So many आपको, that means this time also I am giving the freedom to you, all of you. You choose your topic for your project report. You can choose your project report topic, number 1, or any topic which is related to your syllabus. The topic should be related to your syllabus only, related to your elective course only. For example, as per the semester 3 is concerned, for accountancy student, you have 3 subjects. What is that semester 1? Which subject? Corporate financial accounting. Corporate financial accounting. Just a moment, student. So on the basis of elective course, what does it mean elective course, student? Elective course means your syllabus. Related to your syllabus. Elective course. On the basis of elective course. For example, syllabus में आपके 3 subject है. Direct taxes, advanced cost accounting, and corporate financial accounting. So syllabus देखो. Choose your subject topic. You can take one topic for your project. Okay, research project के लिए topic कैसे होते हैं? You just see it. Okay, and register your title. Okay, take the approval of the title. I will send the registration link. Okay, or by tomorrow. You select your title and register your title. So there should not be duplication of work. In case of business management, there are the subject entrepreneurs management, HRM, and I think that OB. Yes or no? So according to that, any topic related to these 3 subjects, you can take one single topic as any one topic for your practical project, research project. Each of the learner has to undertake the project individually. This is individual. This is not group activities. Okay, under the supervision of teacher guide. Okay, under the supervision of teacher guide. So project individual hai, and there will be the guide also. Okay, I will give the details of the guide also. You don't worry about that. Okay, the learner shall decide the topic and title, which should be specific. The title should be specific, clear, and with the definite scope in the consultation with the teacher guide concern. So first of all, you have to register your topic. I will within 2 to 3 days, I will mention you the guide name also with your roll number. Roll number se main guide allocate karunga. No problem at all. And afterwards, this is the guideline for the project report. Project report kaise hoga? Computerized project report hoga. Font size time Roman. Font size 12, content के लिए 12 and 14 for title. Line space 1.5, A4 size paper, margin 1.5 left, and down right 1. Project report shall be bounded. Bounded in the sense it should be bounded. Okay, in black cover page. Black cover page जो रहता है बहुत सारी जेरोक्स कंपनी जेरोक्स जो शॉप है उसमें सैंपल कॉपी लगा भी रहती है. Okay. But anyway, that means I will show you a sample copy, that the black book for your sample. I will keep in the library for some certain periods. You can visit to the college according to you and you can check it. Understand? So the project report shall be 80 to 100 pages. Minimum 80, maximum unlimited. Minimum 80 to 100 means maximum unlimited. Okay. So this is one. You have to follow these guidelines. I will issue. Don't worry. This is the format of. This is the first page of main book. Main page. Main page means there should be embossed on your black cover page. ये black cover page में आएगा student. Okay. और ऐसा ही one page अंदर रहेगा. Format रहेगा. First page main page है. Title of the problem of the project. Title of the project. A project submitted to the University of Mumbai for the partial completion of degree of the Master in Commerce under the Faculty of Commerce रहेगा. Your name, your learner name, under the guidance of the name of the teaching guide. For example, if I am the guide, then my name and address of the college, NSS College of Commerce and Economics, Third Mumbai, month and year. Okay. And ये inside आपके book के inside में भी यही page रहेगा, second page. Okay. Then आपके उसके बाद में index रहेगा. Index में chapter 1, introduction, title of the chapter. Okay. 1.1, 1.2, ऐसा you can add it. Chapter number 2, chapter number 3, chapter number 4, chapter number 5. The title means you must give introduction, review of literature, data analysis, or main topic of your study. Huh? List of table, list of graphs, list of appendix, abbreviation, इधर आएगा. Structure to be followed, maintain the uniformity in the formulation and presentation of project. Now student, in this case, that means your project report compulsory prepare according to this. Compulsory you required to prepare according to this. What is the first one? Chapter number 1, introduction. What is that? Introduction. And introduction. Introduction. Okay. Now introduction means suppose I choose one topic, that is study of financial statement of Air India and Jet Airways. Okay. So chapter 1 introduction means that the introduction chapter covering all about the Air India and Jet Airways. Okay. Or if I could took the topic of what is called as study the financial performance of the textile industries, the introduction में सब आएगा textile के बारे में. What is the textile at the international level, textile in India, textile in Maharashtra and Mumbai. If you choose the Mumbai as a region for your study, then about the Mumbai. So at least 10 pages का introduction होना चाहिए. Introduction के बाद में students, what is the next process? That is the research methodology. Now, what is the research methodology? The research methodology means the objective of study, hypothesis, scope,